What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're diving right back into our RUSTOLEUM custom mix series, and what that is where we take different RUSTOLEUM colors and then we shoot pearls, flakes, candies, all kinds of different effects coats over top to try to recreate more expensive looking paint jobs on a budget, guys. It's all about learning what works and what don't on this channel, experimenting and having fun, guys. Today I've got a really cool one for you. I'm going to try to do another candy base coat. We've been kind of going down a rabbit hole and trying different candy base coats on this channel. And I've got a semi-gloss black RUSTOLEUM and an apple red. So it'll be two-toning this fender behind me. And then I've got a candy red lime candy concentrate and a glimmer ghost pearl from eye candy, a red glimmer ghost pearl at that. And you know, by itself, the glimmer ghost red pearl tends to go a little bit of pink at times. But that's why I'm hoping when I add it with the candy red, it's going to force it to only go red. And then that'll create a really cool candy base coat red ghost pearl effect, I don't know, over the black. And then over the red, well, since we're going over red with the red candy, and since the candy's translucent, that's where it's really going to get interesting to see what it does with the ghost pearl. So that's the game plan for today. And of course, I'll be sealing everything with some Finish One Clear. That way it'll give it a nice gloss sparkle. And then we'll be taking it out in the sun and seeing what we got. So let's get into creating a really cool candy base coat red paint job using lime candy concentrates and a glimmer ghost red eye candy pigments ghost pearl. Alright guys, so now we got our two RUSTOLEUM colors laid down behind us, and now it's time for the fun part. We're going to create our own custom candy red base coat using Glimmer Ghost Red from eye candy pigments and Lime Candy Red. Now, what I'm trying to do today, guys, is I am creating a candy base coat, but I'm not going for full red with this as far as the candy goes. What I'm using it for is to manipulate this ghost pearl and turn it into an only red ghost pearl. So that's what I'm really trying for today. I'll be doing it Finish One Clear, 4 parts clear, 1 part activator, 4-to-1 clear, 5 ounces total into the mix. And as always, I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see this mix. Alright guys, so if you've been with the channel long enough, you've seen this candy red before right here. It looks like Kool-Aid, but the candies, guys, these candy concentrates do not have any sparkle to them, so they're not like candy base coats. That's where this right here comes into play. Glimmer Ghost Red. Now, you would think, okay, red, it's going to shift to red, but a lot of times these have some pink tendencies, and a lot of people don't like that. So what I'm going to try to do today is remedy that. This is a 5-gram sample bag. So to start off with first, I'm going to spritz some of this into the mix, get about a good little general helping. And if you look at it in powder form, you can see a little bit of reds, but you can also see how it kind of pinks a little bit. And that's just kind of the nature of a ghost pearl, especially red. Red's bad for that. Some of the other ghost pearls only flop to their colors, but red, just because of the way it's made, does tend to pinks and purples sometimes. So as you can see me mixing it up, it does get a little milky in the mix, but at certain angles when the light hits it, well, it shows up, and when the light doesn't hit it, it goes away. And that's kind of the ghost pearl tendencies or properties with it. So alright, so that's where that is. So what I got to do now is try to make this go only red. So I'm going to use my little popsicle stick method that I'm always using and drizzle some to this mix right here so we can get a good candy effect today. And I think this is going to make for a very interesting experiment. So I've always wanted to do this, and everybody's been trying to get that rich red flake like over top of black. So that's a very popular one. And then over top of the red, well, I don't know what it'll do, but all right, let's get to mixing this and see what happens to this mix. Now, as you can see, instantly it turns into Hawaiian Punch. So I think we're going to have a really good shot at getting something red. Now, do we have a good sparkle in it? Well, yeah, we do. Will it lose its pink tendencies? Now, that's to be determined, but there's only one way to find out, guys. Let's load up the D1 drizzle gun, and let's get to spraying some of this candy red base coat. Alright guys, so now we got our paint gun here loaded up with our Glimmer Ghost Red Candy Base Coat with Limelight Candy Concentrates. This is a D1 drizzle paint gun if you're interested in it. It's a 1.3 tip and I shoot at 28 psi wide open trigger. And that's my settings if you want to use them. I'm going to do consistent coats on this today. This is a candy type paint job, so you want to be consistent to get the best effect. Probably do 3 or 4 coats on it. Then the fun part, we'll take it out in the sun and we'll see what we got. I'm going to put my mask on. Let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so after 3 coats, while this looks very cool and I think it's a very pretty looking finish and everything else, this is not really going the way I wanted it to with the all red effect. So what I think I'm going to try, since we're already in it, is I'm going to try putting candy red over top of this and see if that will force it to go all red. Hey, it makes for an awesome experiment. Let me mix it up real quick and then I'll show you the final product. Alright guys, so today's experiment was candy red on ghost red on candy red over semi-gloss black and apple red. Now, did I get it to do everything I wanted it to do? No. Did the candy make a big difference? Yes. I mean, it really pushed them reds deep, and I hit this as hard as I could, guys. If you see down there, it was starting to sag the candy, so yeah, I gave it the old college try. So what do you guys think? Guys, this is a crazy one today. It's pure dripping candy, because I knew I was going to have people in the comments that were going to say, you didn't add enough candy to it. So, hey, I added plenty of candy, guys. And did we get a good candy ghost red effect? Yes. Did it manipulate everything? Oh, yeah. It definitely looks different out in the sun than just your traditional glimmer ghost red over black. However, it did keep some of the pinks and some of the purples, and sometimes that's just the nature of the pearls, guys. It depends on what it goes in to, you know, creating everything. And then, like I said, I tried it both candy in the actual clear with the pearls and candy over top. I do think it started to make more of a difference with the candy over top, but I just layered it and I put it on so thick that it's pure running just about. So, you know, I wanted to see, can this be done? You know, obviously if you wanted to recreate this, you would really have to take your time letting the coats stack up good between, but it is possible, and it is a very, very cool effect. But hey, it ain't up to me, guys. Rate it 1 through 5, 1 through 10 in the comments. Like I said, over the red, man, you got a poppy ghost red pearl effect. Very, very cool. And a really rich, almost candy black cherry look over that black. So really, really cool over both. And if you decide you want to try to use Glimmer Ghost Red to recreate this or something even crazier, I am an affiliate with iCandy, so I can get you guys a discount. My links will be in the description. And at checkout, just enter WAW while shop. You'll get a discount, and it goes to help out the channel. The finished one clear, the D1 drizzle paint gun, the mask, all that type stuff always works great with RUSTOLEUM, and it's in my Amazon store, guys. The link's below. As seen on YouTube, you click that link, it'll take you to my store. You can purchase everything at the same price I get it, and you know, you get the benefits of Prime and everything else they have to offer. Amazon will give me a small kickback, but it goes to help out the channel. And guys, if you made it this far in the video today and you like these crazy spray outs, the tutorials, the reviews, the paint jobs, everything I do on this channel, and you're not already, please hit that subscribe button. Ring that little bell beside it. It'll notify you every time a new episode drops. And before you click away, please leave me a quick like and comment. Rate today's spray out. What spray out haven't I done in the 170, 80 plus spray outs that you'd like to see next? Drop it in the comments, guys. I'll get to it as soon as possible. I promise. I'm doing new spray outs all the time, and you just never know what you're going to see on the next episode of Whitley Auto Works. Well, this was a lot of fun today, guys. The Limelight Candy Concentrates, that's in my store as well. And you know, I just hope you enjoyed this today and had as much fun with it as I did, guys. But I appreciate you always for watching. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. Hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.